now I'm going to show you how you can reorder the sub items within Unlimited Subitems. So here again, I have three going into detail on social media platforms, going in within a third level, as you can see. 1, 2, 3. So let's say I actually want Facebook to go first. How can I reorder this? So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go to what we are calling a storage board. And here is where all the items within Unlimited Subitems are being stored. So all you're going to do is select the item and then just put it in front of where you want it to be in order. Then we're going to go back. And if I scroll down, here you have it. Facebook is now officially before Instagram and Twitter. So that's how you can reorder Unlimited Subitems.